So, welcome ulit sa ating bagong video. Ito naman po ay isa pa rin po sa mga procurement documents, which is highlight minutes. Hello mga partners. So magandang araw muli. So welcome ulit sa ating bagong video. Ito naman po ay isa pa rin po sa mga procurement documents, which is highlight minutes. So let's go po. So dito po sa list ng ating procurement documents, nasa number 9 na po tayo, no? Under public bidding, sa mga documents po ng public bidding, nandito po yung highlight minutes. Although under shopping or direct purchase, meron din pong mga highlight minutes dito na document na kailangan. Okay, so tingnan po natin ang ating document itself. So ito po siya. Then supplyan lang po ng mga details yung wala, no? Sa Republic of the Philippines, province of, kung nasa province, municipality, kung nasa ano po, municipality or city, then kung anong barangay po, no? Then ang document po na to ay manggagaling po sa Bids and Award Committee, again accomplished by BAC Secretariat. Okay, so ang title po is highlights minutes. So ano po bang mga nakapaloob dito? So ito po ay isang mga highlights, no, regarding doon sa procurement na gagawin or doon sa project na gusto nyo ipa-implement. Ito ay ilan sa mga highlights na manggagaling po sa ating BAC chairman. Siya po ang nag-ano nito. Siya po ang nag-highlight, no, ng minutes na to. So, titingnan po natin. To all honorable members of the Sangguniang Barangay, Barangay Development Council o sa BDC, barangay, kung anong barangay po kayo, then kung anong municipality, no, same po, no. Then, through kagawad, kung sino po yung inyong chairman sa Committee on Appropriation, no. So, through CCA, siya po ang mag-ano nito, siya po mag-accomplish ng document na to, no. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a reference to submit the approved budget cost for the, ito po yung title nung project, no, nung gagawin po nung ipo-procure, no, purchase of construction supplies for the completion of multipurpose hall and daycare center perimeter fence, no. Ito po yung project. Project of barangay blank, kung anong barangay po kayo, with approved budget cost estimated of kung magkano po yung halaga ng project, no. Then passed under the Sangguniang Barangay appropriation budget for calendar year 2022. So example lang naman po lahat yan, no, example lang. So ganyan po tumatakbo yung ating document na highlight minutes. Then in view the summary cost of the concrete fence of multipurpose hall and daycare center project. So ito po naka-specified po rito kung ano-ano yung mga materials na ipo-procure. Nandyan po yung mga amount, yung prices, then pinaka-total, no. So I have performed preliminary review. So this is in accordance with the BAC chairman, no. Ang sabi niya, I have performed preliminary review the approved budget cost pursuant to the provision of the local government code, and I have found the same to be substantially complied with the requirements of existing budget policies, rules, and regulations. So the amount, no, development fund stated on project purchase of construction supplies for the completion of multipurpose hall in blank blank blank, no, shall be disbursed accordance with the approved of the head of the procuring entity in the Sangguniang Barangay member of barangay blank. No, now with the standing the above, the budget may be considered and recommended by this office of the operative and shall take effect improvement in the essence of changes. Please acknowledge the receipt therefore. Thank you very much. So, yan. Isa po yan sa mga document na kailangan natin i-attach once na isasubmit na po natin ang ating reports about sa nangyaring procurement. Okay? So, thank you very much and God bless.